Is this sound supposed to be playing? Alright, okay, quickly. Recently, there's a story about this that you can see behind me. It made news. It was trending. Dress, a white and gold dress that people were seeing as blue and black. And the experts came and said that it's the mind of a depressed person that makes the person see it as blue and black, which is a little bit strange because I studied colors when I was in school, and right now they're making me feel like I didn't study anything because the depressed mind sees things differently. Now, if that is true, that's why I did this. I want to confirm. That's why I'm wearing this purple suit, white waistcoat, and blue pants. So if you can see it as grey, you're all depressed. Now, think about it. The expert, they said if you're depressed, we do it all the time. We ask questions. You know the answer to that question, or we just ask that because that's it. But people don't get it. I walk in here, someone's like, hey, Basketmouth, you are here. I'm like, dude, I am here for real. Why you ask? The one that annoyed me, one guy came to me, like, right, congratulations, I heard your sister just gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. I said, no, it's not a boy. He said, hey, what is it? What other options you had? It's not a boy, obviously, it's a kid. It's crazy. One pilot saw that I wanted the flight, like, hey, Basketmouth, so you're flying with us. I didn't want to be sarcastic, so I was like, yes, I'm flying with you guys. I said, so I'm like, you're a great comedian, I like your jokes, so where are you flying to? You don't know where I'm going, you know what, let's just take the boat. But the one that was the most interesting one was, I was watching football, no jokes, real. Manchester United and Chelsea. I was at the bar. A friend of mine came in, he was like, so who's playing? I said Manchester and Chelsea. He said, hey, where is Chelsea playing from? I said, left to right. What about Man U? Right to left. He said, what color is Chelsea when? I said blue. What about Man U? I said red. I said, hey, who is leading? I said, nobody's leading, 0-0. Hey, oh, who's leading? Dude, I just told you. It's crazy. And I saw a billboard recently. They wrote, if you do not know how to read and write, call this number. Now, ladies and gentlemen, they briefed me at the back. I'm counting down. In the next 5 seconds, they're going to go off me now. You don't have to, because he gave me a brief. He said I can only 4 minutes.
A1 in the mix, got more flows, life feel like gold, maybe you don't know, here the super stay low, we have got glow, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good, winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose, had to true life, yeah I need a good pose, so I live a chase life, homie, no hoes, cause to test and try it would come separately, I with the moment when I live